Okay, I've been asked this a lot, and it's basically how do I get my resin inlays into my rings. So I am going to show you. This is my little lathe. Obviously this is purposely here just for putting inlays in. On this bit here I have a titanium ring blank with a Monster Energy can inlay in it. So yeah, all it needs now is just to have the inlay put in, and it's really simple. So we're going to be using the UV resin. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the lathe on onto a really slow spin, and that then is going to allow us to actually tip the resin into the inlay as it spins. Because of the spinning action, the resin won't actually fall out, so we're going to do a slow little feed of the resin going in until we just fill the channel up. So we'll just do that. So now the resin's in that bit, obviously it's going to need spreading out, so we're just going to take, well, I've got a piece of bamboo stick here, so I'm just going to run that through there, like so, just to get it all nicely spread out and even. So I'm just going to slow it down now to make sure there's no bubbles in place, a little bit slower. And no, we all seem okay on that. Again, I would take my time generally just to make sure it's perfect, but for the purpose of this video I'm just gonna blast through it. As you can see, that's spinning absolutely fine in there, no resin's coming out. So then all we're going to do is take the little UV torch and just hold it on there for a few seconds. So we're just going to keep that held there while it sets. Obviously if you've used UV resin before, you know it doesn't take too long. So we're just going to let that turn and turn and turn. Not the most exciting bit, but hey ho. So again, that should be long enough just to show you guys. So we'll turn that off. We'll turn the lathe off. We'll open up the jaws. And yeah, there you have it. One perfect resin inlay. Hope you enjoyed that, and that's, yeah, have fun.